What's going on, guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Christine. I'm the owner of Tiny House of Vintage. Today I wanted to go over how to order these free shipping labels on Usps.com and also how to print them on a regular printer. If you don't have one of those regular Dymo thermal printers, but if you're just starting out, this is your best option to go. Instead of using like regular paper, you can use these free labels. So let's go over and check out how to do that right now. First, you want to go to the website, usps.com, register if you haven't. Here's the screen if you haven't registered yet, and this is what it looks like. Just fill out the information, create an account. If you already have an account, you can just sign in. I'm already signed in. And when you're signed in, you want to go up to here to Postal Store, go to Shipping Supplies, and down here you want to go to Free Shipping Supplies. On the left-hand side, and you want to go down to Mail Service on the left-hand side and click Priority Mail, and then you want to find the address labels. So it's down here on the second page, and you're going to click on Priority Mail Address Label 228. Click on that. And it says here that they come in a pack of 10. You can get a max quantity of 75. So I would order 5 on the safe side. And you want to just add it to your cart. Also, you can order free boxes and shipping supplies. I have made a video on how to order that. You can go and check that out if you want. I'll leave that in a link to that in the description box too. When you put it in your cart, you just want to make sure that the price right here says $0. You don't want to be paying for anything. These labels should be free. And then you just want to go click checkout and then go follow the prompts. It'll ask you to put your address in. It should not ask you to put any credit card information in. And when you check out, you'll get a confirmation of your order. Same thing when you're placing a regular order online. Your mail person will deliver it right to your house, so you don't really need to do anything. So yeah, it's pretty easy. So I just wanted to show you how you are going to load the labels to your printer. So you have the labels and you want to face them, the Priority Mail logo, you want to face forward and you want to face them down like that to feed it into your printer, because if you feed it the other way or upside down, then it won't work. So just make sure you face it like that and face them down, and then put this, make sure it's, usually printers have that where you can fit to a size, and you just want to load the paper. So how you're going to want to print off the label is you want to go, and Poshmark will to the email address that you put on your account. They'll email you a prepaid shipping label. So you want to find that email, and then you want to click on it, and you want to go all the way down, and the bottom will be an attachment, and you want to just click on the attachment, and it'll pop up the prepaid shipping label. And we go over here and print. This is just a preview of what it will look like. And you want to go into your settings. So you want to click print. It'll pop up the settings. And just pick the printer. Find your printer. And then you want to go down here to more settings. And this is what I do. I pick paper size 3.5 by 5 inches. And also you want to go down here to custom scale. Pick custom and click on 85 is what I type in, and then you're just going to click print. And another thing that you want to do, just for the next label, just make sure you sign into your Poshmark account. You want to go down to account settings, and then down here you want to click on shipping label settings. And just make sure it says 4x6 is checked. You don't want the 8.5 by 11. Make sure the 4x6 is checked, and they'll email you a shipping label that's that size already, so you don't have to worry about that. This is what the label will look like when you print it off. So I hope you found that video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. If you're not already subscribed, please subscribe. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below and I'll try to get back to you. I hope you have a wonderful day, guys. Bye.